videotape inspection of the Toolmax TUR-630M tool room lathe. Serial number plate, serial number 50933. 460 volt setup, but with a multi-tap transformer. You could run this thing at 230. Show you the machine. This machine appears to be in excellent working condition. Currently has a 6-jaw chuck and a 4-jaw chuck. A digital readout, Anilam, 2-axis. We're going to set this thing up to run at, it looks like 335 RPM. The ways are in excellent condition. This got a 6-jaw chuck. Go ahead and pull the lever. We'll show you the RPMs and I'll change it once. That's in forward. And in lift, put it back down and go down. In reverse. Okay. And I'm going to raise the RPMs once to, this should be, bear with me. This should be at 425. Go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry. 71. And I'm going to go up. Okay, and this should be, go ahead and turn it on. Oh, I'm not engaged. This is at medium. Okay, RPMs, go ahead. And the other direction. Excellent, thank you. I'll take a quick walk over here. And there's another chuck. Apologize for the moving camera. And there's the other chuck sitting there on the floor.